Now the second category of lipids is the compound lipids. In compound lipids, they are esters of fatty acids with alcohol. सेम जैसे नॉर्मल हमारे पास न्यूट्रल फैट्स थे, esters of fatty acid with alcohol, but in them other substances are also present. For example, other substances can be carbohydrate, a phosphate group, or a protein. Fatty acid, if in a lipid fatty acid, alcohol and carbohydrates are present, it is called glycolipid. If phosphate group is present, it is phospholipid, which consists of fatty acid, glycerol, a base containing nitrogen, and a phosphate group. And if proteins are present along with fats, they are called lipoproteins. They consist of lipids and proteins. Let us see the structures first of phospholipid. A phospholipid molecule consists of one molecule of glycerol, CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH, and two molecules of fatty acid जो हमने लिखा था CH3, C17H35COH, ये हमने डायरेक्ट दिखाया हुआ है फैट मॉलिक्यूल, जिसमें दिस रिप्रेजेंट्स द हाइड्रोकार्बन चेन ऑफ फैटी एसिड. ठीक है, ये फैटी एसिड जैसे मान लें हम CH, ये देखो जैसे यहाँ पे ये बना था, दिस इज, ये स्ट्रक्चर हमने दिखाया, दिस C17H35, this is represented by R1 and R2, remaining structure is same. So one molecule of glycerol is there, two molecules of fatty acids are there, there is present a phosphate group, that is PO4, and there is present a nitrogen containing base. This R plus is the nitrogen containing base. R1 and R2, they represent the molecules of fatty acids. So one phospholipid molecule consists of one molecule of alcohol, that is glycerol, two molecules of fatty acid, और एक फैटी एसिड मॉलिक्यूल को रिप्लेस करके आया फॉस्फेट ग्रुप, जिसके साथ और क्या अटैच है, अ नाइट्रोजन कंटेनिंग बेस. एग्जाम्पल्स, these phospholipids, they are seen in, they are the components of cell membrane, that is, and the nuclear membrane around nucleus, and membrane around various cell organelles like chloroplast, एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम, माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया, इनकी मेम्ब्रेन जो हैं, दे आर ऑल्सो मेड अप ऑफ फॉस्फोलिपिड्स एंड सम स्फिंगोमाइलिन्स. माइलिन हमने कहाँ पढ़ा था, न्यूरॉन के एक्सॉन के अराउंड एक शीट थी माइलिन की. तो दीज स्फिंगोमाइलिन्स, दे आर यूज्ड टू इंसुलेट द नर्व फाइबर्स, वहाँ ये प्रेजेंट है. नाउ द सेकेंड टाइप ऑफ कंपाउंड लिपिड्स, दे आर द ग्लाइकोलिपिड्स. दे कंसिस्ट ऑफ फैटी एसिड, one molecule of alcohol, here the alcohol is sphingosine, and a sugar molecule, that is galactose. Sugar replaces, we can see sugar has replaced one of the fatty acid, and these glycolipids, they are seen in white matter of brain. They form the white matter of brain, and they form the myelin sheath around the axon of neuron. Structure wise, they consist of, ये है हमारे पास alcohol molecule, with these R1 and R2 are the fatty acids, and galactose is the sugar which has replaced one of the fatty acid, और ये यहाँ पे आया. Then lipoproteins consist of lipids, And proteins, lipids present here are mostly the phospholipids. They are found in blood, milk, yellow portion of egg, that is egg yolk. क्यूटिन जो प्लांट्स में प्लांट सेल वॉल्स और क्यूटिकल जो है, दे आर मेड अप ऑफ क्यूटिन. दे आर ऑल्सो एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ लाइपोप्रोटीन्स. Suberin, it is present in the cell walls of cork cells. They are also made up of lipoprotein. थर्ड कैटेगरी ऑफ प्रोटीन्स हमने देखा कौन से थे? डिराइव्ड लिपिड्स. Derived lipids are those which are derived from simple and compound lipids by hydrolysis. They are not actually fats, but they show fat like properties. यानी जो derived lipids हैं वो कहाँ से obtain होते हैं? सिंपल और कंपाउंड लिपिड से. एक्चुअल लिपिड्स नहीं है ये, बट दे शो वेरियस फैट लाइक प्रॉपर्टीज. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी हैव कोलेस्ट्रॉल, whose molecular formula is C27H45OH, and it is insoluble in water and it gets deposited inside the blood vessels and it narrows the blood vessels and it raises the blood pressure. Let us see ये एक हमारे पास कैसा स्ट्रक्चर है. It consists of this is very important, this is formed in NCERT also. 3 fused hexagons, देखो 1 2 3 fused hexagons, 1 complete pentagon and 1 incomplete pentagon. 1 2 3 hexagon, 1 pentagon complete, 1 incomplete pentagon, and ये जो हमने ये जो दिखाया here CH3 here also CH3 and CH3 are present. 1 double bond is present here and OH. This is the molecular formula of cholesterol, C27H45OH, and this is the structural formula, very important. Other examples of the derived lipids are the sex hormones, male sex hormone, testosterone, female sex hormones, estrogen, progesterone, aldosterone, a plant hormone, ergosterol, that is also an example of steroids, and ergosterol, whose molecular formula is C28H43OH. When ultraviolet radiations they fall on this plant sterol, then it gets converted into vitamin D, and scientific name of vitamin D is calciferol. Other examples of the steroids, they are camphor, limoline, which is present in lemon, menthol, which is found in mint. Camphor is found in oil of camphor, and eucalyptus oil, which is found in eucalyptus, and carotenoids, the yellow and red orange pigments of the plants, they are called carotenoids. जैसे कि टमाटो में रेड पिगमेंट है, कैरेट में, लाल मिर्ची में, these are carotenoids. And carotene, lycopene, these are the examples of derived lipids. With this we are finished with the topic lipids.